hindi dapat mauna po yung kabayo kaysa sa kalesa. Kasi po yung kabayo, hihilahin niya yung kalesa.
That is why
Kanina
nga
po
po-
ba sinasabi, what you were saying, opinion mo eh. Somebody might file an impeachment case on the ground of betrayal of public trust. Alam po ninyo, mataas na uri yung pagpapahalaga yun. And the members of this committee, hindi sila expert. Yan ang ibig mo sabihin.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kayo ang expert, sila hindi expert. Tama?
Yes po.
Kaya, what has been delegated can no longer be delegated.
Yes.
That is a principle of law.
Yes po.
Sa mga abogado pong nandito, alam po nila yun eh. Potestas delegata, non delegare potest. Nagkakaintindihan po tayo. Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask the representative from COA if the Constitution allocated this particular mandate to other agencies or offices of government other than COA.
Mr. Chair, it is exclusive to the COA.
It is exclusive to the COA. COA alone has the mandate and authority to perform all these functions
Audit, Mr. Chair.
I just read before you. Is that correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Noon pong sabihin ni Attorney Sanchez na ang inyo pong audit observation memo ay hindi pa conclusive o hindi pa kumpleto sapagkat marami pa kayong ihingin sa kanila na isusumitin nila sa opisina ninyo, tama po yung kanyang isinulat. Hindi po ba?
As to yung mga 2023 na AOMs po, kasi at that time, kailangan pa po nilang mag-comply.
Yun nga po.
Yung sa 2022 po, natapos na po yun, nag-comply na sila, nag-issue na ng NS, nag-comply na din sila.
Tapos na po yun.
Hindi pa rin po deficient, so nag-issue na po ng ND.
So, sa mga tweet, nag-issue na po ng ND. Yun pong ND ay yung Notice of Disallowance.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yung Notice of Disallowance po, Madam, is also not conclusive because ito po ay appealable and
yes,
contestable.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Meaning to say, it is not a final judgment.
Yes, Mr.
Sa
Chair.
mga tweet, yung pong sulat nila sa inyo, ina-advisean po kayo na sana, hindi naman po siguro kawalan ng paggalang sa committee ito. Kung hindi, ang ibig nilang sabihin, sapagkat marami pa po namang kayong kakailanganin sa kanila na isasubmit, iniisip po siguro nila para hindi makomplicate ang pag-uusap, sana ay huwag na muna ninyong bigyan. Kasi po humihingi ang House, ang ating pong komite, nung mga dokumento na kakailanganin po dito sa kanilang pagdinig. Tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. At wala pang ang conclusiveness eh. Iniimbestiga pa nga lang eh. Tama po.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Actually, audit lang po yung sa amin, not technically, hindi po investigate.
Kaya nga importante po na ma-protection kasi ino-audit nyo lang. At alam po ninyo, yung pag-audit ay maaari pong i-contest mula sa level ng regional director, kung nasaan man nagumpisa. Kung sakasakali pong hindi natapos doon, maski sa level ng commission proper, inaapila pa rin po. At kung sakasakali po hindi napagbigyan doon, umaabot din po yun hanggang sa kataas-tasang hukuman, hindi po ba? Kaya po pinapanatili natin confidential ang proseso. Hindi po ba nyo naisip kung sakasakali, yung pong ginagamit po ninyo sa inyong pag-audit ay ibibigay po ninyo sa Committee on Good Government, mabubuyang-yang po yung mga dokumento because of the nature of the hearing in the House of Representatives. Tama po.
Tama po.
Kagaya po ng nangyayari ngayon. Bago po ako magpatuloy, ay gusto ko munang itala on record na Hindi ko po binibigyan ng hatol. I am not judging what the Committee on Good Government has done so far in relation to the documents that you furnished this office. Ang sinasabi ko lamang po, kanina po sa unang pagtatanong ko sa inyo, ang sabi po ninyo, there is no other office or agency of government na binigyan po o inallocate ng ating saligang batas para kopyahin ang ginagawa ninyo. Wala na po, kayo lang. Hindi po ba niya naisip na ang inyo pong gawain, ang inyo pong gagamitin sa inyong pag-audit ay nagamit po ng local government at hindi nyo man lang ipinaliwanag, sana kanina pa po na tinatanong ko, bago pa po ninyo ibigay, pinagbigyan nyo sana yung sulat po ng attorney sapagkat nasa inyo na po ang pag-uusisa ng pag-audit. Masasakripisyo po, masasapubliko po ang gagawin ninyo kung sakasakali. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Mr. Chair. Ang audit po ay exclusive sa Commission on Audit. Pero since ang Congress po ang may hawak sa yung pera po ng yung power of the purse po, I think we do recognize yung Congress oversight over that power, and similar to sub judice po, hindi po nababind ang Congress pagdating po sa power ng Congress na yun po.
Mr.
I
Chair,
think hindi
gusto ko
naman po
pong,
audit ang gusto nilang gawin, which is yung audit po ang sa amin. So,
Mr. Chair, gusto ko pong malaman sa sagot ng ating representative ng COA. Opinion mo ba yan o yan ay kinuha mo sa pinakamataas na opisyal ng COA sapagkat hindi ikaw ang magbibigay ng katwiran dun sa kung ano yung power of the purse at kung ano ang significance nung subpoena na tinanggap ninyo. Ito ba ay pinag-usapan ninyo, tirefer mo sa commission proper?
somehow na-discuss.
Ano po?
Somehow po na-discuss.
What do you mean somehow? Kasi po importante yun eh. Alam po ninyo na magkakaroon po ng tension between your mandate and the objective of the Good Government Committee. Iba po yung trajectory nila, iba po yung sa inyo, audit. But you will be using, the committee will be using the same documents. The committee will be using those yardstick that you must be using in your own audit. Sa makatwid po, masasakripisyo po. Halimbawa po, Mr. Chair, noong umpisahan po ng Good Government Committee, yung pag-uusisa po, itong bagay na pinag-uusapan natin. Necessarily, ang gawain po ninyo na interrupt, tama?
Yes po.
Huminto kayo. Hinihintay ba ninyo kung anong magiging outcome po ng pag-uusisa at pag-iimbestiga ng good government?
Paano pong hinihintay po, Mr.
Eh,
Chair?
na-interrupt kayo eh. Sa mga tweet, ang gawain po ninyo ay nabalam. Nabinbin kayo.
It continues naman pa rin po kahit na may mga
Kasasabi mo lang kanina, na-interrupt eh. Ngayon, continuous.
itong sa OVP po, pero sa other audit,
Ito po sinasabi natin, itong pinag-uusapan, the subject matter of the law of this Good Government Committee. Necessarily, ang trabaho po ninyo in relation to the issuance of that audit observation memo was interrupted. Tama po, Madam.
opo, but yung sa other liquidations naman po ng other offices, continues pa rin naman po. Or sa other, yung sa katulad nung pong sa 2023 na audit, nireceive naman pa rin po namin yung mga compliance po nila.
Madam, dito po sa binasa kong provision kanina, Mr. Chair, kayo po ang may karapatang gumawa ng isang comprehensive program kung paano isasakatuparan ang pag-audit sang-ayon po sa pamantayan ng ating saligang batas. It cannot be delegated to any other agency. Nag-usap na tayo kanina.
Yes po.
What has been delegated can no longer be delegated.
Yes.
That is a principle of law.
Yes po.
Sa mga abogado pong nandito, alam po nila yun eh. Potestas delegata, non delegare potest. Nagkakaintindihan po tayo.
Yes po.
So effectively, you delegated the idea, the work that you have been doing in the first. Ano ngayon, hindi po ba na-compromise yung independence ng Commission on Audit? You have to remember, the COA is an independent constitutional body.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I believe there is no compromise naman
Yun
po
ang palagay mo.
since yung audit procedures still belong with the Commission on Audit.
Yun ang palagay mo. You're talking of procedures, pero compromise nga yung mga dokumentong gagamitin ninyo. Eh. Kasi binigay mo nga, sabi ko nga sa'yo, walang kasalanan ang committee ito sapagkat sinabi na binigay mo without advising them. Sana man lang, sumulat ka man lang, and then the committee, malay mo, they have weighed their options. Baka sakaling hindi ganito nangyari. In this particular case, narinig mo kanina, nagsalita ang aming speaker. Sabi niya, let us strengthen the institution that uphold our democracy. Pero po, doon sa ginawa po ninyo, did you strengthen the foundation and the independence, the authority of the COA as enshrined in the Constitution?
Mr. Chair, dun po sa compliance po namin, we emphasized on the confidentiality of the information. So kami din po, hindi rin po namin in-expect that it would be released.
This is always public. Ikaw naman. How can you say na hindi mo alam? Sa inyo po kasi confidential. Iba po yung modality nyo because this is audit. Pero once na binigay mo dito, the House of Representatives and all the committees will conduct and undertake meetings publicly. Wala po kaming private meetings. So pag sinabi mong hindi na compromise, opinion mo yun eh. Opinion mo. You are not in a position to tell us na hindi na compromise. Only time will tell. Siguro po dapat pinaalam po ninyo. The fact that you did not even, dapat sa...
The go signal was from the chairperson. And so, ang napag-usapan
You are saying
po
that the commission
is-
proper, who gives the go signal? The chairman of the COA?
Sa being the head of the ICFAO po, siya yung head po ng ICFAO.
No, I am asking the head of the institution
The
itself.
head of the institution po, the head of COA po is the CP, but the head of ICFAO, the office, is the chairperson po.
So alam po ng COA head ito?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Alam niya, sigurado ka?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
The commissioners, alam nila?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Narinig po ninyo yung bahagi ng mga interpellation ng mga kasama ko kanina. Most of it siguro, meron po kayong natatandaan. Most particularly, the interpellation of Congresswoman Luistro. Noon pong tinatanong niya yung certain La Chica was guilty of usurpation
Acosta.
of authority. La Chica ba yun?
Acosta po.
Acosta, sorry. Na sinabi niya, according to her, Acosta is even guilty of usurpation of authority of official functions. Narinig po ninyo yun?
Yes
Kasi
po.
po, maring nakuha niya yung gawain na yun, allegedly, na hindi naman pala dapat na sa kanya yun. Noon pong hindi nyo inadvisean ang Committee on Good Government, technically, part of your mission, part of your mandate on authority was usurped. Sila na po yung nagtatanong eh. Ang ginagamit po nila, yung mga dokumento, yung mga reports, and the papers na sa saligang batas, ang sinasabi, kayo po ang dapat mag-examine, kayo po ang dapat mag-audit, nobody else. So in a way, part of your function was usurped, technically.
Ah,
Tama po.
tama po, Mr. Chair, pero it does not
Hindi,
mean
tama
po.
po.
Tama po,
Pero,
it does not mean po na we will just take it hook, line, and sinker. We will still audit based on what our standards are. I-conduct pa rin po namin yung audit na based sa amin po.
palagay natin, paano kung hindi pareho ang outcome nyo? Paano hindi pareho ang conclusion nyo? What happens?
I think we will stand by yung audit po ng COA.
O ibig mo sabihin, yung outcome ng aking mga colleagues ay mali. Ang sinasabi ko kasi pwedeng hindi kayo magtugma eh. Because your procedure is different. The manner of questioning probably is not even personal. Passive ang sa inyo, active sila.
Yes, Mr. Chair. On that part, we will still use our expertise
Kaya nga,
on our
you will
audit.
still rely on your expertise because you are the expert. Kayo ang nakakaalam ng comprehensive program and plan. Kayo ang expert sa inyong mga fields. And the members of this committee, hindi sila expert. Yan ang ibig mo sabihin.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kayo ang expert, sila hindi expert. Tama? Kaya pwedeng
Iba naman po ang sa
Kaya nga yun ang
Congress,
sinasabi ko
Mr.
sa iyo
Chair.
magkakaroon sigurado kayo ng pagkakaiba ng resulta. What happens then? What will happen to the integrity of the Commission on Audit?
Sir, eventually, if ever man na mapunta po ito sa CP and then mapunta sa courts, even the courts can reverse COA po.
Ang iniiwasan po kasi natin ay yung magkaiba po ng outcome. Pareho po yung ginamit. Ang mga papeles, ang mga report, lahat po ng dokumentong nakita namin inisa-isa at binusisi ng mga kasama ko are the same. Pero mag-iiba po kayo ng outcome.
Mr. Chair, I believe ang outcome po from Congress is legislation, while ang sa amin po is yung result of audit po.
Indicated your authority by giving to this committee the very basis of your audit because they were made public.
No, Mr. Chair.
Why do you think that your answer? Pero pinamigay po ninyo part of your function. That is the point.
I believe that the function of the Congress
Do not
here
say, I believe.
is as
We are
oversight.
after facts here. We are not after what you believe and we're not after your opinion. Ang pinag-uusapan natin are factual issues. Okay? Sabi mo kanina, sumagot ka kanina, no other offices, no other agencies ang nakakagawa ng function. It's only exclusive to COA.
The audit function, Mr. Chair. We just simply recognize the authority of the Congress.
In simply recognizing the authority of Congress, you have wittingly or unwittingly surrendered part of your mandate because you expose the confidentiality of those documents which should have been preserved per your own rules and regulations. Am I correct?
No, Mr. Chair, we have not surrendered our mandate.
How do you know that you have not surrendered? How do you know? Are you in a position to even assess the impact of your action?
It is still the COA that is performing the audit. The Congress is doing a different thing. They're not auditing the funds.
What are they doing?
In legislating.
What?
Legislating po. I believe we are all here because
You've
this
been
hearing
sitting
is
here for
in
several
aid-
hours.
is in aid for
Did you know the kind of
legislation.
legislation that are supposed to be coming up? Meron ba silang sinabi sa iyo na meron na kaming legislation in mind? Meron bang lumitaw? Kanina pa tayo rito. Ako, alas 10 ng umaga, nandito ako. Did you have an idea as to what legislation are coming up?
For example,
For example, meron bang legislation na baka sakaling nagle-legislate sila,
later on,
natuturuan kayo kung paano ang pag-audit?
no po, for example, yung SAGAA sa budget on confidential funds. That will become subject of future legislation.
Why are you the one articulating that? You are not a member of Congress. Yan ang
That
sinasabi
is
ko
why-
kanina pa eh.
That is why
Kanina
nga
ko
po,
pa sinasabi, what you were saying, opinion mo eh.
that is
I
why
am
po
trying to
I-
emphasize to you kung ano yung impact.
That is
Nung,
why
baka mapagalitan ka ng chair. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, seryosong bagay. Uulitin ko sa'yo, the mandate to audit, the mandate to examine, the authority belongs only to COA. While the terminology is different, pero the basis of your audit and the basis of the investigation of this committee are one and the same. Yun ang sinasabi ko sa iyo. Did you not compromise the integrity and the independence of COA by doing so? Do not make your own opinion. I will probably accept an answer na siguro balikan mo yung commission kung tama yung ginawa ninyo. Okay. Ay na-compromise po ninyo yung integrity, yung independence na ano ba sa Tagalog, yung repose, yung ipinagkatiwala sa inyo na saligang batas. Maring hindi po nyo alam, maring hindi conscious kayo, pero part of that authority na ibigay po ninyo. Sa makatwid, meron pong na-compromise ngayon. Sa aking palagay po, kung talagang susuriin ito, kung makakapagseryoso po tayo, baka po maring managot po ang inyong mga opisyal. I am referring to the chairman and the commissioners of COA. Somebody might file an impeachment case on the ground of, ano bang grounds natin? Betrayal of public trust. Alam po ninyo, mataas na uring pagpapahalaga yun eh. Kayo na rin po ang umamin at alam kong tama naman ang sinabi niyo. There is no other agency of government. Ang saligang batas po, mahigpit ang tagubilin. Siloso po yung saligang batas. Ayaw niya na meron po kayong ipagbibigyan pa. It was delegated exclusively to you. You cannot delegate that, even part of that particular authority and function. Very clear po, it is in aid of legislation, dapat prerequisite po nakabalangkas na yung batas. The reason why we are asking you to appear before us is to help us complete the legislation. Sa ngayon po, with all the questions answered and asked, wala pa pong malinaw na legislative purpose. Am I correct?
Meron na po.
Ano po?
Mr. Chairman, marami po.
Point of order.
Well, in
Mr. Chair.
fact,
Point
What is the point of order
Point
of Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Akop?
The Honorable Marcoleta has still the floor. Let him finish. As I've said a while ago, we follow our rules.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Please continue, Congressman Marcoleta.
Yes, I know that, but ang sinasabi ko lamang po, I do not contest that. Pero ang sinasabi ko, if it is in aid of legislation, maliwanag po sana na una na po yung balangkas. Kahit outline lang. Hindi yung pong nagtatanong na tayo ng nagtatanong, sapagkat meron din pong jurisprudence na hindi dapat mauna po yung kabayo kaysa sa kalesa. Kasi po yung kabayo, hihilain niya yung kalesa. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair. Thank
Mr.
you for
Chair.
your time.
Congressman Akop,
Chair.
you recognize.
I do not want to debate with the erudite Honorable Marcoleta, but I think Article 6, Section 21 of the 1987 Constitution will be followed. Why? Because this was strengthened by the case of Romero versus Estrada in the year 2009, where it was decided by the Supreme Court, and I would like to quote, "Inquiries in aid of legislation are utilized to enable the legislative body to gather information and thus legislate wisely and effectively, and to determine whether there is a need to improve existing laws or enact new or remedial legislation, albeit the inquiry need not result in any potential legislation." Those are the words of the Supreme Court. The conduct of inquiries in aid of legislation may not result in any legislation at all, as decided by the Supreme Court. Thank you, Mr. Chair.